Hey everyone, Shroy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a countdown timer in Python. Let's get started. Firstly, what we want to do is want to import time and add seconds is equals to integer input and enter countdown time and while seconds print a formatted string time left and in curly brackets seconds. Sounds gibberish, but it's actually true. Time dot sleep in brackets 1 seconds minus hold on seconds minus equals to 1. Then we want to print time up. So now if we run this, ooh. So as you can see, we haven't given a value yet. So let's give the value as 1 here. And now if we run this, it should work. Countdown time. Let's give it 10 seconds. 10, 9. As you can see, it starts sprinting. So wait, so 1 second. So 3, 2, 1. Time's up. As you can see, it's given the final message. And that's it. And that's how you make a countdown timer in Python. Thank you.